Ya sanibona. Okay ke nasi story ke siphuthumayo ke. Sanibonani ke ubonke welo indlovukazi ngiza nendaba wena uzana nini endlebe lalela ke lesi story nje sibalekile ngoba sifuna usitshela indodakazi yakho ekhaya. Kumele uhlale phansi nendodakazi yakho uyilalelise lesi story ukuze yazi ukuthi kunzima la ngaphandle. Sanibonani ke So istory sihamba kanjena ke. Umntwana nje ubefunda kahle and enza unyaka wokuqala e-university. Uthi ke umntwana uthe ehambela nje Cape Town ahlangane nobhuti. Ubhuti wakhona ngathi uyikhaladi nje. Ubhuti wakhona makambuza ukuthi uphumaphi amtshela ubhuti ukuthi enene uphuma kuphi, uphuma eGermany. Abesethi umntwana I know okay abese yamshela kubhuti nje kube into enhle nje. Bashelane ubhuti is very kind, very loving enganeni. Abese untombazane agcine semqomile kumntwana wethu umfana waseGermany. Umfana waseGermany ubhuti nje oneminyaka eyo37 nje umuntu osekhulakhulile kodwa nje ubhuti wakhona muhle uyikhaladi. Ke abese ke amqome kanjalo kusisi. Makamqoma usisi uGuy shaya isikhathi aphindele eGermany. UGuy ke into ayenzayo every time usisi makukhona into ashoda ngayo uyamfakela imali, uyamfakela ngisho imali yokukhokhela isikole, umfakela nje imali yokwenza zonke izinto nje ongazicabanga. Ngisho ukwenza ikhanda akaswele istationery kubo yes bayamxhasa but ekhaya ngoba uphuma ekhaya elingenayo imali kakhulu bese rely on imali ayithola kubani kumfana. Kuhlala isikhathi ke sebeloku bejola ke over the phone ke bakhulume over the phone bayathandana ngempela. Uthi uGuy uyamlove boma uthi umnika lonke uhlobo lothando ongalicabanga. Uthi ke kuze kushaya isikhathi la be decide khona noGuy ukuthi okay kuzomela manje uze eGermany. Uthi usisi nangempela abaplane noGuy athi uzomsendela invitation letter ukuze akwazi ukuthi ahamba ayo-apply i-visa. Nangempela uGuy amthumelele i-invitation letter ingane yethu ihambe ingabatsheli abazali bayo ukuthi iyahamba iye eGermany ngoba kuba yaziwa ukuthi iqomile. Ingabatsheli abazali bayo igibele iflight ize kuphi eJalimani. So mayiza eJalimani igibele iflight then afike lana hayi uyafika amamukele kahle ubheki wakhe bajabulelane kade bagcinana. They've been dating for almost 10 months without seeing each other since bagcina ukubonana eCape Town ngaleso sikhathi uGuy was roaming the street ngaseRes. Okay kulungile bese bagcine ngaleso sikhathi ke babonane ke sebehlangana kuphe eGermany. uGuy ezazomhlangabeze eairport. Uthi uGeli I was so excited, I had butterflies. Uthi I'm thinking ukuthi oh finally ngizoze ngimbone umuntu wami. It's been long since sagcinana kudala ngizothola uthando nami ngizothola ukukhadlisha kusho ingane yethu. Ingane incane ngithi qeda grade 12 yes straight from grade 12 yasiya university. So umntwana wethu mncane ula ko 17 18 very young. Okay abese ke ahlangane nalobhuti ke mind umntana makashonga ukuthi uyahamba eGermany kubazali bakhe. Abazali bazi ukuthi kuphi umntwana wethu useRes. Ahambe ke aye efike la eGermany imhlangabeze indoda imphathela ama flowers spoiled for life. Indoda nje imspoilile nje imphathele nezimbali imphathele nako konke nje ongacabanga. Abese amhlangabeze bahambe baye ekhaya. Mabahamba baye ekhaya uyafika untombazane baya kubo kamfana. Kubo kamfana ke bakhona abazali khona yonke into khona nje wonke umuntu ekhaya uphelele and bamwelcome kahle futhi usisi. Bamwelcome kahle bamjabulele bajabula ukuthi finally bayabona umuntu othandana nomfana wabo. Kungabi khona nje into ethi qaphela because the way ababe warm ngakhona and loving and doing everything for her, it was like she was so special. Safika isikhathi lana sekufaneka khona ekamereni wayobeka impahla ekamereni lamfana wabeka impahla zakhe and then bahamba baya out babuya badla out babuya bathe mababuya umfana waseyasho ukuthi ayike please ngiyacela ukuthi ungiphe. Sesho uphiwani kumfana uphiwa inkomo yengane. Okay usisi athi no not today, let's just cuddle. And umfana vume abe very kind and loving athi bakhadlishe kuze angamphushi. Ayike kuze day 2 untombazane ezuthi nami no man angisafuna ukukhadlisha because yesterday was really nice and this guy is a gentleman. Awuthi ke nami makacela ngivume. Nangempela avume umntwana wethu. Makavuma uthi uGuy waqala kancane nje wenza whatever that is normal. Uthe suka lapho umfana wakhona wabe ekhipha esimeni lesi sesimame eseya kulesi singemuva. Uthe suka kuleso singemuva kungcole kunjalo kwabeza kwesingaphambili. Uthe masuka lapho uthi yonke imbobo umntwana lesi story lesi it's very hard for me ukuthi ngisixoxe because bengingafuni ukusixoxa because it's very uncomfortable and it's triggering. So ngicela ningixolele because kumele ngisibeke njengoba sinjalo. Uthi ke bese thi ke kuyo yonke imbobo ekhona emzimbeni wengane whether indlebe or ikhala or umlomo uphuma la angene la aphume la angene la aphume la angene la uthi sisibongiwe kuhle uyabona lento yase Dubai ekwakhulunywa ngayo uthi into enjalo into ecishe ifane neyase Dubai uthi umfana to a point whereby ngeze ukuthi isibeletho sami asikho right kubhlungu uthi engibophelile lo muntu lo uthi angikwazi ukuscreama ngiyasaba ukuscreama so I have to pretend like ngiyayithanda lento uthi also because umndeni walomfana angibazi manje ukuthi if ngiyasho lento le ngizophatheka kanjani la if ngiyakhuluma so uthi ayenze day 1 wenza yonke lento le uyamngcolisa uthi sometimes uyamkhamisisa afake feces emlonyeni wakhe. Guys, I have to say this, I'm sorry, I've contained myself with this story ngiyaxolisa shem for sensitive viewers. Ngicela ningawa sensitive ningasilale story because nami singxakile. Uthi ke afake ke wena feces wenani emlonyeni wakhe uthi noma ikuphi uthi wenza lento nje uyashintsha wenza laphana uthi amtshela ukuthi akakhamise afake izinto zakhona amkhamisisa amchamela amenze konke umfana waseGermany ake umfana ubaba lo ngoba una 37 uthi sisibongiwe I had to endure that pain for a week where that man was torturing me and abusing me and doing all those things to me. And mind you, I've never slept with a guy. It was my first time. Ngelala nomuntu wesilisa. Namhlanje njengoba ngilala nomuntu sisa sengizo experience torture. He would angishaye lo muntu lo but angishaye in a form of like senze ucansi. And uthi until kwazofika usuku la kwakumele ngigibele khona uthi I couldn't even walk properly. Uthi but I had to hold myself strong ngizenze ngibe strongo so that ngizokwazi ukuthi ngifike ekhaya. Uthi ngagibela ibhanoyi uthi kwasebhanoyini ngangilele ngimvithi ngingakwazi ngiseyinhlungwini lana uthi ngaqeda ngafika eSouth Africa mangifika eSouth Africa ngazi admit esibedlela immediately was admitted esibedlela umntwana immediately waqeda kwatholakala ukuthi esibelethweni sakhe hold on sengibuyile kwatholakala ukuthi umntwana isibelethweni sakhe silimele kakhulu and ezinye zezinto eziphuma ngala ngemuva zigcwele la kuyena ngaphambili esibelethweni umfana umqhumisile nje like bruised emzimbeni it's like ubeke kwi-war zone like umqala like konke everywhere you could think of lonke indawo nje ongayicabanga umfana ubebhizi uthi wabuya uthe nje elenda uthe makaphuma esibedlela umfana wamuthi kukhala katha ngendodla yemali wamfakela kwi-account yakhe uthi sisibongiwe till today inyawo zami ziyavuvukala ziba sihlungu sivele zivuvukala esikhaleni isibelezo sami sihlale siqaqamba I'm not going to be able to have kids in my life again because of umuntu engammitha owayengathi uyikhaladi wase-German. Uthi leyo mali leyo angikwazi ngishukile ngazama ukuthi ngiphisane ngayo as much as I can because ekhaya ngangizobuza ukuthi le mali ngangiyithathephi. Uthi konke lokhu kwenza umuntu engangithi ngiyamthanda and uyangithanda ngokuqiniso ngithi ngimtholile umuntu wami kanti cha. Ngicela nibe careful wengane zethu. Go to varsity and study please. Stop focusing on these men because abanye babo bathwele. Oh